question also says the power of God is not from this world, or his territory is not from this world, and the outside is passing by, and only the soul is eternal.
I couldn't follow you properly.
The Christians believe that, like Jesus said, my territory or my life is not from this world, I'm only from the next one.
Right.
And he said that power of God or his territory is not from this world, it is only from the next. And
I think it's not a clear-cut question.
No, but this is a Christian belief. According to Muslims, God is as much in heaven as on earth, and He's everywhere. So His territory extends to everything, every direction. Wherever you turn your face, there will be God. So this belief is perhaps misunderstood by the Christians.